Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide Instagram DM chats without deleting them. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. In the top right corner, tap the messenger icon to access your chat section. Now, select the conversation you want to hide. Once inside the chat, tap the profile name at the top of the screen. This will open the chat settings. There isn't a direct option to hide the chat, but here's a simple trick. Tap on Privacy and Safety, then choose the Restrict option. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Restrict again to confirm. Once restricted, the chat will disappear from your main chat list. Instead, messages from that person will now appear in the Message Request section. You won't receive notifications for new messages from them, and the chat won't be visible unless you look under Requests. This method helps you keep conversations hidden without deleting them, and it's easy to undo by unrestricting the user anytime from their profile settings. So that's basically how you can hide Instagram DM chats without deleting them. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.